Who won the 2016 election? Almost 2 years since the election took place, that question seems totally out of place unless you listen to the president. As mentioned above, early on he questioned the vote. But there does not seem to be anything about the election that is not up for grabs and in doubt. Did agents of the government try to undermine his campaign? Did people infiltrate his organization to gather incriminating evidence to use against him? Did elements opposed to his candidacy collude to make it impossible for him to win? These and other questions seem to be at the forefront of the president's agenda. One would think from reading these headlines and tweets that the president lost the election and was trying to determine what nefarious elements caused him to lose. This, of course, brings me back to my original question. Did you win the election, Mr. President? Or do you know something the rest of us do not? Did someone else win and you are trying to determine how they stole the election from you? Your rhetoric would suggest that this is the case. Your tweets would indicate that someone kept you from your stated goal of becoming president. Your demand for investigations and attempts to uncover those miscreants makes us think that we have all been duped by you, and you really are not the president. If you are, in fact, the president, then those who were spying on you to undermine your campaign did not do a very good job. They must have been lousy and should have been fired, since many, maybe not all, of your machinations were on the front page of every newspaper and filled every news feed. They would not have had to do much to find something with which to fill many dossiers, not just one. Obviously, all this hoopla which you are raising has nothing to do with some hidden double agent trying to find dirt on you. That was too easy to find without using nefarious means. Mr. President, you must be trying to distract the American public and those investigating you. You must be trying to absorb all our time looking for ghosts so that we will not have any energy, money, or time to find out what really was going on. This is the only realistic explanation. You're blowing smoke everywhere, not just up our skirts, so that we will not see what really happened and get to the bottom of what must be a tragic miscarriage of justice. Whatever, it must be something so monumental and transformative that you are doing everything you can to make sure we do not find it. But the bigger stink you make and the more you holler